Good morning, children. Now, you had already done chapter 3, that is word processor, a tabular presentation, where you had learned about how to create a table using the table grid form or using the table dialog box. You had already learned about how to format a table, how to enter data in the table, how to edit a table, if you want to delete rows and columns, if you want to insert some rows and columns, formatting a table, changing the row height, changing the column width, how to merge cells together, how to split cells, then how to apply borders and shading in order to beautify your tables, to resize your table. You had also learned about to do some calculations also. Now, after the completion of this chapter, I'm giving you some revision questions. You can see them on your screen. These are very short answer type questions. You can answer them in 2 or 3 lines. The first question is, what is MS Word file? The second one, what is a table in MS Word? The third one, define a cell. Then, what are grid lines? The fifth one, list the 2 ways of creating a table. And the last one, differentiate between split cells and merged cells. You can easily find these questions in your note, in the book. The answers to these questions in the book. You can answer them in your class notebook, and in case you have got any doubts, those doubts will be clarified once the school reopens. So please do this revision work in your notebook very neatly. Regarding your notebook, please maintain it very neatly. Always the date should be there on the left hand side corner on the top. Then within double lines, within the margins, you have to write the name of the chapter. Do the question answers as already instructed to you. The objective questions, that is fill in the blanks, true false, these have to be done in the book itself. No need of doing it in the notebook. Only question answers have to be done in the notebook, and after each answer draw a finishing line with a pencil, and please do your work very neatly. Regarding your project work, the summer project, I have already instructed you. Please check the school website. It will be uploaded there, and complete your work. Do your work very neatly and submit your notebooks once the school reopens. Thank you and have a nice day.